Here's a quick video to help you guys set up for the lab. So you'll see the setup here with the ring stand, with the ruler and test tube clamp. And over to the end I have my weight, and I have a couple of ruler clamps. So going through the instructions, you'll have to make sure that this on the test tube clamp gets completely undone, and then you're going to put the ruler with the hole and the screw part of this through back onto the test tube clamp, and you'll attach it to the ring stand just like so. You're going to have two of the ruler clamps. Get a lower angle here, and you'll see one of them is going to be facing up like this. The other one's going to be facing down. The one that's going to be facing down is going to be catching the weight like this, and the one that's facing up, you're going to be attaching a force scale to that, like so. And you're going to be lifting this up and measuring what the force is on your tension scale. You can adjust these by loosening the screws. So you can see you can unloosen these. This one's set to 95. This first one is set to 91. So you'll take the tension scale and you'll lift it up, and you're going to be reading. Make sure the newtons is facing you, and make sure to measure to the nearest tenth of a newton so that you can get good accuracy for this. After measuring this at 91, you can unscrew this, and then you're going to reposition it down to 81. So the best place is right in the middle, so that's at 81, right where it's going to be screwed back on right there. Looks like it's 80, but it's actually at 81. It's right in the middle. And then you'll do the tension scale, lifting it up again. And you'll do the same thing for 71, 61, and 51. The last one that you're going to be doing is you're going to set it back to 91, and you'll be pulling it at a 45-degree angle. So you set it at 91, like that. And I've left some protractors, paper protractors in front of the room. You're going to be pulling it at a 45-degree angle. Make sure somebody's holding the setup on the other end, or otherwise you're going to pull everything over. And then you'll read the force that's required to lift this mass. So you're going to have your initial one like this. Your last one is going to be at a 45-degree angle like this. So you'll record all your forces on your lab. They'll be recorded right here. Make sure to read this part about the formula for torque, which is force times the radius and the sine of theta. For all of these, the sine of theta is going to be 90 degrees since you're pulling it perpendicular to the ruler. The sine of 90 will be 1, so it's really just going to be the force times the radius, which will give you your torque. This last one, you're going to be having the radius of 0.90, and you're going to have the force that you recorded from the prior page multiplying by the sine of 45. And then you'll calculate all of your torques and then answer the following questions.